The coal, extracted from the heart of the department of Cesar on the north coast of Colombia, generates energy and development in Latin America, the United States, Europe, and Asia. At the port of Drummond, located in the municipality of Ciénaga, coal of the highest quality is loaded, full of the dreams and the fruit of the labor of thousands of Colombians. At Drummond, we know that this coal is not only destined to illuminate the lives of millions of people at various points on the planet, but also to contribute to the economic development of Colombia and to the improvement of the quality of life of thousands of people in this country. Since Drummond came to Colombia, it has created more than 9,330 direct jobs and close to 37,000 indirect jobs. These decent, stable and well-paid positions demonstrate only one part of how a rock like coal is capable of making dreams come true, dreams born of the earth. The La Loma and El Descanso mines are located in the center of the department of Cesar. Colombia is the #1 exporter of steam coal in Latin America and the 5th largest exporter of this fuel in the world. Our operation has contributed to positioning Colombia's name in the world coal market, thanks to the fact that we export the highest quality of coal to Europe, the United States, Latin America, and Asia. This makes coal the country's second most important export after oil. In 1988, the Loma Contract was signed, including everything from the exploration stage to the production stage. To be able to export the coal, it was necessary to build a port in Ciénaga, outside of the tourist area in Santa Marta. And to transport the coal using an environmentally friendly and efficient means, Drummond's operation prompted an overhaul by the Colombian government of the railway that connects El Cesar with the northern coast of Colombia. The production stage at La Loma began on February 23, 1995. With an initial production of 1.3 million tons. In the year 2009, production began on our other project, El Descanso, signed in 1997, with reserves on the order of 1,500 million tons. Total production at La Loma and El Descanso has grown to 24 million tons of coal per year. Exports have also increased. While in 1995 they totaled 963,000 tons, as of the close of 2013, more than 292 million tons have been exported from the two projects. La Loma and El Descanso are not Drummond's only projects. There are also other projects such as Rincón Hondo, Similoa and Cerro Largo, which are in the process of environmental licensing. Together, all these projects give us reserves of more than 1,972 million tons and an annual production that could reach around 40 million tons. Since Drummond came to Colombia, it has paid more than $2,026 million in royalties. On top of that, Drummond has paid more than $1,477 million in duties, taxes, and contributions. To date, Drummond has invested more than $18,447 million in Colombia. Our coal is highly sought out because it has a high calorific value, low concentration of sulfur, and low ash content, which makes it the ideal fuel for heating homes and generating the energy that powers up hundreds of industries and lights up cities around the world. The process begins with blasting the overburden. As of that moment, the mineral can be extracted that will later end up in the port, where it will be loaded onto vessels bound for different parts of the world. Drummond always operates with large and efficient equipment. For example, to remove sterile material, it has 3 draglines, one of them the largest in Latin America, which operate together with the apron feeders to load trucks. Hydraulic shovels with a capacity of up to 50 cubic meters are used to load the trucks that have a capacity of up to 220 tons each to carry the material to the dumps. To extract the coal, shovels and backhoes are used to load trucks with a capacity of up to 100 tons. to distribute the fleet of trucks for either sterile material or coal to each of the shovels and to define the destination of the truck to either the dump or loading station, Drummond has state-of-the-art technology and satellite communications. Effective procedures have been established for the entire operation in order to take care of the environment. For that reason, among others, it has water cannons in the mining area, tank trucks spraying the roads, treatment for watershed, revegetation, and preservation of fauna. Drummond's operations, achieved through planning, knowledge, and maintenance, are efficient and safe. Industrial safety is always the first priority. Maintenance is done in Drummond's own workshops and outsourced workshops located within the facilities. At each one of the loading stations, mined coal is loaded onto a train, which is the only means for taking it to the port. This system of transportation is the safest, cleanest, most efficient, and environmentally friendly. Once the coal reaches the port, it is unloaded using rotary dumpers, making the process efficient and clean. While each car is dumped, water sprayers keep the air clean. Coal that is not sent directly to a vessel is stored in yards, where it is continuously sprayed in order to take care of the environment. On March 31, 2014, Puerto Drummond began operations with the direct vessel loading system. This system, by the end of 2014, will have 2 vessel loaders with a total annual loading capacity of 60 million tons. And an investment of more than $360 million in work such as the 2 loaders with their corresponding docks, trestle, new storage yards, and the dredging of the maneuvering basin. Each vessel that leaves the port carries thousands of tons of energy to the world, leaving behind jobs, education, and above all, progress for Colombians. Drummond, dreams born of the earth.